Hello guys, so in this video I just wanted to share with you guys this website called findfocusgroups.com. So if you want to earn extra cash and if you are living in the United States, so you can head over to this website findfocusgroups.com. So in this website you can find bunch of um, jobs that will pay you either online or you'll be on site depending on which location you are in the United States. Okay, so once you are here in the home page, um, so if you see here, see newest focus groups, so you click that and it will show you a bunch of lists of available jobs that you can go and check individually to see if you can get the one that fits you. For example, you want to work on your, what you really wanted, and if you are in this location, for example, this Houston, Texas, Dallas, Texas. If you are in Texas and you are in one of these major cities, you can find this job. For example, beauty products focus group for women 18 to 40, or same company but different location, or here mock trial focus group. Okay, so you can go ahead and click that, and if you see there are details here that you can check, and uh, as you see here, the instructions are quite um, clear that you just need to send um, email to a specific person, and then you can go ahead and start. So as you see, some of these will have dates on whenever you need to get started, and there are also description details on what you will be required to do, or what, for example, this one, you must have a desktop or laptop with a webcam in order to participate. So some of this will be done online, or some will be done through on-site. Okay, but what I wanted to show you guys, if you see this nationwide, for example, nationwide USA, you can be wherever you are in the United States. Please remember, it's only available in United States. Okay, so if you're living, if you happen to live in United States at the moment, then grab these opportunities. Okay, some of them will be ending very soon, so telling you to please hurry and check this. So most of the item here that says nationwide most probably will be online. Okay, so for example, this one here, so it says online study about food choices. So it may require you to gather data information about food or grocery information that regular people are doing every day. So here, online via webcam, 125. The payment is 125, and you just need to work for 90 minutes. So here it will start on the 9th of September and ending on the 27th. Okay, so if you are interested, so just come to this website findfocusgroups.com and check each of the items that may be interested and you may want to do. Okay, so and this one, like a very interesting one, credit card reward study. Okay, so here it's the start date will be the 30th of August, and the pay is quite good. Paid by check, 175 to 225. So you just need to work for 2.25 hour from the comfort of your home. So not much details here, but you can come to this website and click this apply link if you want to know more information about this one. So there are a bunch of interesting items here. So if you happen to live in the USA, so this is a very good opportunity for you to find an extra job online. All right. So as you can see here, 225 will pay 200, will pay 125. And if you see this find focus group, they says that we help you find legitimate paid focus group. Every listing on this site is handpicked. So they first verify the listing that will be added to their site, and see whether they are legit, because most of the online jobs now are very scammy, and it's quite risky to join. So this Find Focus Groups website will help us to are helping people to find legitimate jobs by filtering out those um, online tasks that are submitted to their website. So most probably, so I think 90 to 95% of the jobs here will be absolutely legit. Okay, and it's got good payment. Okay, let's see this one, 550. So when you open this one, okay, so it's got some details here. Project H3 travel, nationwide residence, August 10 to August 18th, 5-day online bulletin board followed by 2-hour group interviews for those chosen to participate in the group. So you will be working with a group, incentive 550 plus 125 those chosen for 2-hour group interviews online from the comfort of your home. So if you're interested with this one, it's got good pay. Click here to apply. So no payment involved here. So remember, uh, if they're not asking money from you, then you're safe. You are it's absolutely not a scam. But the number one rule to spot if it's a scam or fake, if initially they ask money from you, then most probably it's a scam. Okay, so I think that's it for now. So yeah, just sharing this website with you guys. So if you have time, if you have extra time, and if you are living in the United States, so why you don't like there's no reason you won't be trying this findfocusgroups.com. Okay, so that's it for now, guys. Thank you.